Hi teachers and friends, I'm David from P3B. Do you know what is this? This is a force meter, a tool used to measure forces. Do you know that gravity produces weight because it pulls objects towards the ground? Can we create a simple force meter made by ruler, rubber band, pencil, and paper clip? Will different mass generate different force measurements? Can we compare them? The purpose of this experiment is to find the answer for above questions, and I will call them simple force meter experiments. My prediction is that an object with the heaviest mass will produce the biggest force because of the gravity. We can use simple force meter to measure the force. Different objects having distinct masses will produce different forces. Fair experiment. To ensure that my experiment has been fair, I will use the same force meter applied to the same object, meaning using the identical ruler, pencil, rubber band, and paper clip. We got to ensure that the objects would be fully hung on the paper clip, not held by our hand. List of the material: 1 ruler, 2 pencils, 3 rubber bands, 1 paper clip, 5 objects with different weight, scale. These are the steps to make a simple force meter. 1. Get 2 pencils. Stick them with tape and a rubber band. Put a ruler between the pencils. Key. Put another rubber band between the pencils. And finally, put the paper clip on the rubber band. Thank you. Easy, right? Experiment. Weigh every object. Hook up an object at the paper clip, then measure the rubber band's length before and after the object was connected. Record the results of the experiment on the table. Table data that I collected from this experiment. Weight of the object, length of rubber band. 1. No object, 0 grams, 2.2 cm. 2. Pencil, 5 grams, 2.6 cm. 3. Pen, 8 grams, 2.9 cm. 4. Ruler, 24 grams, 3.2 cm. 5. Scissors, 25 grams, 3.3 centimeter. 6. Eraser, 45 grams, 4.3 centimeter. As you can see, the bigger width of the object, the longer length of the rubber band. Real force meter test. To prove that this simple force meter has performed correctly, I double-checked it by measuring the object's forces with a real force meter, 10 Newton. Same with previous task. The bigger width of the object, the bigger size of the force. No object, pencil and pen, 0 Newton. Ruler, 0.15 Newton. Scissor, 0.2 Newton. Eraser, 0.4 Newton. Conclusion. The conclusion is that the length of the rubber band indicating how much force was applied due to gravity pulling down the object and other related things. This shows that the heavier the object, the bigger the force produced, and vice versa. The experiment demonstrated that an eraser was the heaviest object, thus having the biggest force. For an object lighter than 10 grams, my real force meter unfortunately was unable to measure the applied force. This suggested that the simple force meter we had created is more accurate when used to measure items with small mass. Therefore, it actually works. Thank you.